my baby in there. You can't really see his face. Daddy's about to take him on a ride.
Boys are back home.
Go get him. Go get him.
Get him.
Get him. Get him.
Oh. Hey, Ro. You don't feel good?
I have a tiny nose and I'm coughing a lot, and not like a lot, but I'm coughing frequently.
Yeah, but you got me and Corbin sick. Well, I was happy to see his brothers.
Give me something. Give it to him.
It's a gift from Universal.
Give him. Give it to him. Take it out.
I need help. Okay, get it.
Get it. Get it. Grab this. Give it. Give it.
Is that the thing that I already have? Oh, I thought that was.
You have that already?
No, I thought. Oh. It's hugging it. He wants that.
That's for Reese. Give it to Reese. Give it to Reese.
He picked that out in the store.
He has.
All right.
I thought this was a slipper.
Give this to Roro. Give this to Roro.
Oh my god.
Here, give it to Roro. Roro got his own cup now.
Yeah, you already did. You had a
It's a dinosaur.
It's a big
Jurassic Park.
It's a new bar.
I could fill it up with water and bring it in your room
You have
instead of bottles.
Okay, give this to Roro.
Why are you two things in a row?
Give it to Roro.
Not fair.
Hey, give this to Reese.
We got some shirts.
He's riding again today. Say hey. Daddy got the AC working. Come on, let me see your warm up. We're about to stretch it out, and Froman said Daddy can't beat him.
I'm just joking.
He's just joking now that we came outside.
I said I'm just joking 3 times.
This is Daddy's stretch. Corbin's ready to go, go, go. Go, Corbin, go. We trying to get Corbin. Ready, set, go! Come on, Bubba! Go, Corbin, go! Go, Corbin, go! Go, go, go! Yay!
Set, go! KK claims she wasn't trying in the last race, so because Rome was so close to her. On your marks, get set, go!
I look out the window and this is what I see. Who's with him? Uncle Lonnie's with him? Oh goodness, two crazies. Had a set of bees, Beehive, and she's come and tried to take them. So she sprayed something in the box and we'll see if they move. Pretty cool.
We had a birthday party at our house. Oh! Serious? Where's Roman?
He's right there.
Roman!
He's waiting for his food to go down.
Jump, buddy, jump! Corbin, jump! Jump! Me and Reese are hard on the power lines.
Yeah. KK Roman football down there.
Yep, they down there. Way down there. There's Corbin and Roman and KK. Let's go see if they want to ride.
Found a piece of wood for the mantle. They're about to cut it. See how it turns out. Doing a bunch of passes, and then they're gonna cut it. So pretty. Yay! We found the park after buying the mantle. Watch out, Corbin, it's gonna bump your head. All these playing and playing. Bro can find Reese. Hey, Rose, did you find Reese yet? Where's he at? Uh-oh!
We're trying to clean the venue, and this is what Corbin's doing. Yep, he's a good helper. We're in the drop-off line at school. It's May 4th. May the 4th be with you. And you. And you. Reese wants to talk about chocolate milk.
Oh, that's a very good subject.
What about chocolate milk you wanted to talk about? It's delicious.
Yeah. It's yummy.
It's 8 grams of wholesome protein per bottle.
Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing.
And it's 50 calories.
50? 140.
Oh, I thought it was 50. I was thinking of something else. I'm thinking of syrup.
Roman, what you doing? Sounds like it.
I'm top now.
What?
You too.
Love y'all.
I love
Love you too.
The teacher's here taking kids out of school. Out of the trucks.
Wait,
Yeah.
she's already here.
Yeah.
We got here a little late
stayed
today.
home for like 27 minutes. 20 million minutes.
So see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.